AI on your laptop locally without any internet connection. To do that, go to lmstudio.ai, download the one for your operating system. So with this, you can pretty much run LLMs on your laptop completely offline, chat with your documents and all. So I have downloaded it for Mac and I installed it. Once you install, you'll see something like this one right here. I have made some configurations initially, but yours will be more of a blank slate. So once you open LM Studio, go to Discover. Once here, you'll see staff picks, quite a few of them, so don't worry too much about it. To begin with, start off with Llama 3.2. If you see here, you'll see the download size. 1B, 3B pretty much means how big the models are. The higher the B numbers, the bigger the size of the model will be. So let's say 14B is 8.99, 9B is probably less than that. I have downloaded Llama 3.2 3B, so this will help me write emails, summarize emails, optimize some code. So once you decide on your model, uh, click on it, click on download. Once it is downloaded, you'll see something like this. Use a new chat. You can click on that one. So here you'll see I have downloaded a couple of them, but you can pick and choose whatever you want from the dropdown here. Once you do this, you can pretty much ask it for anything, like give me a list of countries and their capitals. The typos don't matter, so hit yes. So you have all the countries and capitals. If you want to cancel it in between, you can stop it. The best part about this is this will remember your previous questions, so you don't have to repeat your question. You can pretty much say, sort them by countries alphabetically, but only those starting with G and up to Z. All right. So here, if you see, it has completely ignored all the other countries and their capitals. So yeah, you can pretty much use this for anything, like copy an article, paste it here, and ask it to summarize. So pretty much to start off with, this is the basics. You can create the folders here. I've created some groups here, and just create something as sample, move my chat in here so that you can pretty much group your chats. Once you create a new chat, uh, whatever you are talking about here will not be considered. So it's a completely new chat. If you want to see all the models that you have downloaded, you can click on this folder icon, see what you have downloaded here. If you want to delete them, click on this and you can delete the models. Once you delete them, you won't be able to see them in the dropdown. And that's pretty much it for the basics of this one. Uh, you have a ton of other settings, which is probably not required because it's mostly optimized for your usage. If you find it to be slow, pick the one with the smaller B, download that. You see the size is also smaller and it'll be easier on weaker processors. But if you want something much more advanced and comprehensive, go for the really big ones. But if your mission is not fast, it will slow down your mission. So play around with this one and figure out which one works the best for you. And you can pretty much ask it, what can you help me with? Give me a list of tasks. Yeah, so these are pretty much the things that it can help you with. And all of this is happening offline, so you don't need an internet connection for this to work. There you go. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to know more about this app. Thanks.